and today we'll be unboxing this awesome Lego Technic set. This Lego Technic set is set 42104, and it's 7 plus. It has nice box art, so you can see at the front and the back and at the sides. And let's open this thing. So in here we have these three bags, a sticker sheet, instruction manual, and this weird motor pullback. You see all these nice pieces in here. This is all you get in the set. Thank you very much for watching this, and let's see you next time in the next video. Bye!